Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing mini twists and showing you guys a way that you can add in the hair if you're struggling with gripping it at the roots. So starting out, the hair that I'm using is from QVR. That's Queen Virgin Remy. And this is their Afro Kinky Human Bulk Hair that is unprocessed. We did go with the natural color, and the length that we're using is 20 inches. And this is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. It's very soft, fluffy, and super lightweight. And on screen, I'm just showing you guys how you can section off your pieces from the bulk hair that you'll be using to twist with. We did use a total of 5 packs of hair, and that may sound a lot, but remember this hair is super lightweight, so it's actually not a lot of hair. As you can see, I am doing square parts, but you can do natural round parts for these as well. I do want to reiterate that this video is for those who are struggling to grip the hair in with the natural hair at the root. So if you already know how to do that, then you can start these how you prefer and how you're comfortable with. But if you're struggling with gripping, then I'd like to suggest this. So start with parting your section that you'll be twisting. And again, you can either do round parts or square. And then just start by doing a regular 3-strand braid as neat as you can. I braided it down about 1 inch. So just like so. So if you'd like, you can do all of your braids first, or you can do all of your braids in the row that you're working on, or you can just do it one at a time. It does help to do a couple plaits first before moving on to the next step. So if you're doing rounded parts, just do a couple plaits, or if you're doing square parts, just do like the row that you're in, so that way you don't have to keep going back and forth. So after you have your plaits, then you're going to take a crochet hook and take the section of the kinky hair that you'll be using, and you're going to crochet that in at the root of that braid or that plait that you did. And then next you're just going to take the plait in with one of the strands of the kinky twist. You're going to twist that together, and then you're just going to do your 2-strand twist, and then you're just going to continue that all the way straight down. And I know some people prefer to twist it at the root immediately. Some people like to grip it and start as a braid and then turn the braid into a twist. Some people even like to do knotless braids at the root. But again, this video is to help those who are struggling with gripping it for any of those options that I mentioned before, and just trying something a little different that can be easier in my opinion. So I'm twisting these all the way at the end, but I'm just leaving a very small section at the end where it's not twisted, because we're going to add some product at the ends of these, so that way they can kind of curl up and give the curly ends look. So I'm going to do this a couple more times for you guys to see. If you think this method is helpful for you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you think that it's helpful for someone that you may know, then go ahead and share it with them. If you already know how to grip for twists, let me know down in the comments how you typically like to start your twist. Do you normally just grip it as a regular braid and turn it into a twist? Do you prefer to do the knotless braid method, or do you immediately just twist it right from the root? Let me know down in the comments below. At this point, we're a little more than halfway through, and this is what we're looking like so far. So for those that are interested in getting similar size parting, I like to just tell you the amount of rows that I did. You may have to adjust this. This could differ depending on the head size and some other factors, but I did do 5 rows behind her ear, and then an additional 9 rows from the top of her ear, going from one ear to the other. So altogether we had 14 rows. So yeah, so again, you may have to adjust it just to get the sizing kind of similar, but yeah, 14 rows for this style is what I did. So once I was done, I am just spraying her hair now with some water and just hydrating it. I'm also making sure I'm focusing on the ends because remember we want the ends to kind of curl up a little bit. So after I get it all throughout her hair, I'm focusing on spraying the ends, and then I am going in with a denim brush and just brushing those ends to try to bring out the curls. I am also spraying this with some leave-in conditioner, so you can use that as well. So water, leave-in conditioner, and then brush the ends with a denim brush, and then kind of just go back and forth between, the three of that until you get the curls to where you want it. And then after I do that, I'm going in with my scissors and I am just snipping and trimming the ends of the hair, basically just removing some of the pieces that are a little too long, maybe too thin, and just kind of shaping it. So just do that and just trim to your liking. And then I'm going to show you guys the final result. Mini twists will hands down always be one of my favorite protective styles. I used to get mini twists on myself all the time, back to back, and they actually inspired me to do locks. And some people will actually do mini twists like these and allow their hair to lock up in the mini twist, and maybe not doing this exact gripping method, but yeah, some people will use afro kinky hair and do mini twists and let their hair just lock up. I shaved my head last year, like the end of last year, and I'm ready for it to grow back because this is one of the styles that I'm excited to get again. But yeah, this is the final result. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments below. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, again, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel. Check out the description below for the hair that I used. Again, QVR, thank you so much to them. And I do have a discount code for you guys with 23% off. So again, be sure to check out the description below for the hair details, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. I'm going to show you guys how I style this a little bit. And yeah, thank you for watching. Be blessed, stay protected, and stay filled with love and peace.